Good morning, students. ठीक है, I'm Dr. Smriti Sawan. Today I will take your science class 9, first chapter, that is matter in our surrounding. This chapter is the first chapter, chemistry and basic characters have been explained. Now in this chapter, सबसे पहले आएगा आपका matter. What is matter? What is matter? Matter is anything which has mass, and it occupies space. ठीक है, तो matter has mass and it occupies space. Now when we are talking about classification of this matter, the matter has been classified into five. It has been classified into 5 basic elements. ठीक है ना, that is known as पंच तत्व. ठीक है, what is this पंच तत्व? Air, water, sky, earth and fire. ठीक है, these are the पंच तत्व. ठीक है, but it is according to the ancient type, these are the 5 basic concept of matter. Nowadays matter is grouped according to the physical and chemical properties. Now today it is grouped according to its physical and its chemical properties. ठीक है ना, according to its physical and chemical property. Now when we are talking about the physical property, so in physical property it is grouped as solid, liquid and gas. ठीक है, on the basis of chemical properties or chemical nature, you can say chemical nature. Basis of chemical nature, it can be element, compound, mixture. ठीक है, तो what is matter? Matter is that which has mass, occupies space. Now according to our ancient time, the matter has been classified into 5 basic elements, that is panch tattva: air, water, sky, earth and fire. Nowadays according to modern concept, physically it is grouped into 3 types: solid, liquid and gas, and according to the chemical nature, element, compound and mixture. Now physical nature of matter. Physical nature of matter. So first is, matter is made up of particles. First is, matter is made up of particles. Matters are made up of particles. किससे बना है? Particles. ठीक है ना, and the particles, second is that the particles are very small. They are very small. Particles are very small. They are beyond our imagination. ठीक है ना, तो physical nature of matter is, first is the matter is made up of particles, and second is these particles are very small. They are beyond our imagination. Now characteristics of matter. Now what are the characteristics of matter? Now when we are talking about the characteristics of matter, the particles of matter, these are the particles of matter. Suppose these are the particles of matter, and the particle of matter has space between them. They have space between them, and this space between the particle is known as intermolecular. It is known as intermolecular space. ठीक है ना, particles of matter have space between them, and this space is known as intermolecular space. Second is that the particle of matter, there is a force of attraction. there is a force of attraction between the particles of matter, and this force of attraction is known as intermolecular force of attraction. ठीक है ना, particles of matter have a force of attraction between them, and this force of attraction is known as intermolecular force of attraction. Now particles of matter are, you can say, they are moving continuously, movement is there. ठीक है ना. Third is that the particle of matter, they are state of continuous motion. ठीक है ना, they are in state of continuous motion, means they are moving, they are in state of continuous motion, they are moving. And this is called the energy possessed in the kinetic energy. क्या बोलेंगे इसको हम? kinetic energy. क्या बोलेंगे इसको हम? kinetic energy. Due to this they possess some energy that is called kinetic energy. जैसे टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा, ठीक है ना, हमने कहा टेम्परेचर, हम कह रहे हैं टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेज, हम क्या कह रहे हैं? टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेज. व्हेन द टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेज, you will see that the particles move faster, and the particle move faster, it means that their kinetic energy increases, ठीक है ना. Now first property is that the particles have space between them, and this space is called intermolecular space. The particles have force of attraction between them. This force is known as intermolecular force of attraction. Particles of matter, they are continuously moving, they are state of continuous motion, they have kinetic energy, and you can see that when the temperature increases, the particle, it moves more faster, and the kinetic energy also increases. And the fourth character is that the particles of matter tendency to diffuse. The particles of matter have tendency to diffuse. They have the tendency to diffuse. ठीक है ना. The property of diffusion also, they have tendency to diffuse, and the property of, you can say, the diffusion, it increases with the increase in temperature. This property, that diffusion, you can say the property of diffusion, it increases with the increase in the temperature. The particle of matter have the tendency to diffuse, or we can say intermix with each other. ठीक है, because of the presence of the intermolecular space है, इसके वजह से क्या हो जाता है? वो intermix हो जाता है with each other. ठीक है ना. Now you will see that the particles of matter have the tendency to diffuse. And the diffusion increases with the increase in the temperature. फिर मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, ये फिजिकल नेचर ऑफ मैटर है. मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ पार्टिकल्स, and the particles are very small. They are very small in size. Now characters of matters are that the particles have intermolecular space between them. ठीक है, space between them, and this space is known as intermolecular space. The particles are they have force of attraction between them. This is known as intermolecular force of attraction. The particles, they are state of continuous motion, kinetic energy. Now when the temperature increases, the particles move more faster, and the kinetic energy increases. Now the tendency to diffuse, the particle of matter have the tendency to diffuse. ठीक है ना, it means it can diffuse, to intermix with each other because their presence of the intermolecular space. इसकी वजह से क्या हो जाता है? डिफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, मिक्स हो जाते हैं, इंटरमिक्सिंग हो जाती है. दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिफ्यूजन इंक्रीजेज विद द इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर. टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा तो डिफ्यूजन भी बढ़ेगा. इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर, वी कैन से दैट इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर, देखिए ना, इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर, you will see that diffusion also increases. Now properties. Now we will differentiate between the properties of solid, liquid and gas. ठीक है ना. Now these are the solid particles. You can see that solid particles are, this is solid particles. You will see that in the solid particle the interparticle space is very small. This interparticle space is very small. We can say that interparticle space, that is small. ठीक है ना. Particle space is small, but interparticle attraction, interparticle attraction, it is maximum. So when we are talking about the properties of solid, the interparticle space, you can see the space is very small and the interparticular attraction is very maximum. Now when we compare this property with liquid, you will see that the interparticle space, this interparticle space is more than solid. This interparticle space, it is more than solid, and this attraction, interparticle attraction is, and this interparticle attraction is less than सॉलिड. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि पार्टिकल देखो स्पेस ज़्यादा है तो इंटरपार्टिकुलर स्पेस ज़्यादा है और दूर होने की वजह से अट्रैक्शन कम हो गया है, इसलिए इंटरपार्टिकल अट्रैक्शन इज लेस देन सॉलिड. नाउ हियर द पार्टिकल्स आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. नाउ इंटरपार्टिकुलर स्पेस, हियर इट इज मैक्सिमम. Interparticular space is maximum. Interparticular space is maximum because particles are very far apart from each other, and the interparticle attraction, the force attraction between this particle, it is minimum because the particles are very far away from each other. Therefore the interparticular attraction is minimum. ठीक. So now we have taken the two characters we have taken, what is interparticular space and interparticular attraction. Interparticular space, it is, you can see it is in solid it is minimum, particular space it is very small, in liquid it is more than solid, and it is gas, it is maximum. Now, intermolecular attraction, it is maximum in solid because particles are very close to each other, in liquid it is less than solid, and gas is minimum because the particles are very far away from each other. Now solid, because the particles are very close to each other, therefore it has definite shape. Solid has definite shape and volume. Solid का shape और volume क्या होता है? Definite होता है. In liquid, shape is definite, volume is definite, not shape, volume is definite. And shape, when we are talking about shape, it takes the shape of the container. ठीक है ना. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे shape और volume दोनों definite हैं, but in liquid volume is definite, मीन्स आप उसको किसी भी कंटेनर में डालोगे, अगर 1 लीटर मिल्क है या 1 लीटर वाटर है, किसी भी कंटेनर में डालोगे 1 लीटर ही रहेगा वो. बट द शेप इसका डेफिनेट नहीं है. शेप इट चेंजेस with the shape of the container. We can say that it takes the shape of the container. ठीक है ना. shape इसका change हो जाता है. And in the gas you will see there's no definite shape and no definite volume. Neither the shape is definite nor the volume is definite. ठीक है ना. ना तो इसमें आपका you will see that no definite shape, ना तो shape definite है और no definite volume. Again I am explaining it. Definite shape है, definite volume है, लेकिन यहाँ पे volume तो definite है लेकिन shape definite नहीं है. Takes the shape of the container. And the gases, there is no definite shape, nor definite volume. Then rigidity, it is rigid, ठोस है, हार्ड, उसको आप दबाओगे तो दबे, रिजिड है, ठोस है. नॉन कंप्रेसिबल, आप दबेगा नहीं. क्यों नहीं दबेगा? क्यों नहीं दबेगा? क्योंकि जो पार्टिकल्स है बहुत पास है, इसलिए वो दबेगा नहीं. कंप्रेसिबल, नॉन कंप्रेसिबल, सॉलिड कंप्रेस नहीं होता है. आप एक पत्थर का टुकड़ा ले लो, आप रॉक ले लो, उसको कंप्रेस करने की कोशिश करो, वो कंप्रेस नहीं होगा. तो इट इज़ नॉन कंप्रेसिबल, इट इज़ नॉन कंप्रेसिबल. वेयर एज when we are talking about liquid, less compressible as compared to, ठीक है ना, लिक्विड इतना कंप्रेसिबल नहीं होता है. इसमें एग्जांपल में आप स्लाइटली कंप्रेसिबल लिख सकते हो. जैसे कि आपने एक बॉटल लिया, बॉटल में आप थोड़ा सा वाटर डाल दोगे, आपने वाटर लिया तो आप उसको अगर दबाओगे, प्रेस करोगे तो स्लाइटली कंप्रेसिबल होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा कंप्रेस नहीं होता. यहाँ पे अगर मैं एक बॉटल ले लूँ और उसमें एयर ले लूँ तो फिर वो कंप्रेस हो जाएगा. इट इज़ हाईली कंप्रेसिबल, क्योंकि स्पेस ज़्यादा है, इसकी वजह से कंप्रेसिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. ठीक है, कंप्रेसिबल ज़्यादा है, रिजिड नहीं है. यहाँ पे रिजिड नहीं है, हार्ड नहीं है. गैसेस आर नॉट हार्ड, ये कंप्रेस हो जाएगा, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा कंप्रेस हो जाएगा ऐसे एज़ कम्पेयर टू, ये थोड़ा कम कंप्रेस होगा. और सॉलिड तो बिल्कुल भी कंप्रेस नहीं होगा. ठीक है ना. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग, सॉलिड हैव हाई डेंसिटी, सॉलिड की डेंसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है, हाई डेंसिटी, सॉलिड की डेंसिटी ज़्यादा है. ठीक है ना. लेकिन आप देखोगे एक्सेप्ट आइस, आइस की डेंसिटी कम है, और आइस की प्रॉपर्टी में बाद में डिस्कस करूँगी. सॉलिड होने के बाद भी वो वाटर पे क्या करता है, फ्लोट करता है. ठीक है ना. लिक्विड हैज़ डेंसिटी लेस देन सॉलिड, और यहाँ पे देखोगे डेंसिटी क्या है, लीस्ट है. क्या है? लीस्ट. ठीक है ना. नाउ सॉलिड डू नॉट फ्लो. अब सॉलिड की प्रॉपर्टी लूँगी. सॉलिड में आप देखोगे, सॉलिड डू नॉट फ्लो, सॉलिड डू नॉट टेंड्स टू फ्लो, सॉलिड डू नॉट टेंड्स टू फ्लो. सॉलिड फ्लो नहीं करेगा, बट लिक्विड टेंड्स टू फ्लो. ठीक है ना. यहाँ पे लिखोगे इट टेंड्स टू फ्लो, और यहाँ पे भी इट टेंड्स टू फ्लो, लेकिन सॉलिड फ्लो नहीं करेगा. ठीक. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसियस स्टेट. नाउ क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. जैसे कि पहला क्वेश्चन है मेरा जो मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूंगी, रबर बैंड इज अ सॉलिड. ठीक है. पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है, रबर बैंड is considered solid. Yes. Why? ठीक है. rubber band is considered solid. Why? Rubber band, when it is stretched, when the force is applied on it, it changes in shape. But when the pressure is released, when the force is released, it come back to its original state. Therefore, we can say that rubber band is a solid. Similarly, question arises, sponge. Sponge is considered solid. Why? Why the sponge is considered solid? Sponge is considered solid. What is the reason behind it? The sponge has minute holes. Sponge has minute holes, and in these minute holes air is present. When we press this sponge, so what happened? The air is expelled out. The air is expelled out. And when the air is expelled out, it changes its shape. But when the pressure released, when the pressure is released, जब आप उसमें प्रेशर अप्लाई करोगे तो उसका एयर क्या हो जाएगा, एक्सपेल, बाहर निकल जाएगा. पर जैसे ही what we will release the pressure, जब हम प्रेशर को रिलीज करेंगे तो what will happen? It will again come back to its original position. ठीक है. So the sponge is highly compressible. It is highly compressible because they have minute hole. Air is trapped inside this hole, and when it is pressed, the air is expelled out, and when the pressure is released, it again come back to its original position. Third question arises, how the aquatic plants and animal, how the aquatic plants and animals survive underwater. How they survive? Because they take the water or gases that is dissolved oxygen, ठीक है ना, and carbon dioxide that is dissolved in water. Dissolved gases, they utilize the dissolved gases in the, it means due to this property they survive. इस property के वजह से वो survive करते हैं. फिर है आपका हाईली कंप्रेसिबल गैसेस, जैसे कि आपका LPG. दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस कमिंग इन एग्जामिनेशन. LPG एंड CNG. LPG को क्या बोलते हैं? लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस. क्या बोलते हैं? लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस, ठीक है. और CNG को क्या बोलते हैं? कंप्रेस्ड. क्या बोलते हैं? कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस. दिस गैस है हाईली कंप्रेसिबल. दिस गैस का यूज़ कहाँ होता है? कुकिंग. आप इसको कुकिंग में यूज़ करते हो, ठीक है ना. कुकिंग में इसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. आप देखोगे सिलेंडर के अंदर पूरे गैस को कंप्रेस कर दिया जाता है. एंड और एक एग्जांपल और है इसका, जो कंप्रेस्ड गैस का एग्जांपल है ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर, ठीक है, जो हॉस्पिटल्स वगैरह में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. दूसरे कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस, दिस ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ डेज दिस फ्यूल इज़ यूज इन अ व्हीकल्स. इसको व्हीकल्स में यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड दीज गैसेस आर वेरी इको फ्रेंडली. दोनों गैसेस बहुत इको फ्रेंडली है. इसको बर्न करने के बाद कोई भी वेस्ट नहीं रहता है, ठीक है ना, इसलिए इसको ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल किया. नाउ डेज CNG इज़ हाईली यूटिलाइज. आप देखो घर में LPG यूज़ करते हो, उसको जलाने के बाद कोई वेस्ट नहीं रहता. और CNG को भी हम यूज़ करते हैं तो उसमें कोई वेस्ट नहीं रहता. दे एनवायरमेंटली फ्रेंडली गैसेस. सो दीज आर सर्टन क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दिस चैप्टर. इसमें और भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, जैसे कि एक क्वेश्चन है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, जैसे कि अलमीरा इज अ सॉलिड. ये क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं कभी कभी. अलमीरा के यहाँ आपका सॉलिड है, या फिर आयरन इज अ सॉलिड, ठीक है ना. व्हाट इज द रीज़न? तो उसमें आप उसके कैरेक्टर्स देखो. आयरन सॉलिड क्यों है? डेफिनेट शेप है, डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम है, पार्टिकल्स बहुत पास हैं. तो आप उसके सॉलिड की प्रॉपर्टीज़ लिखोगे ड्यू टू विच इट इज़ अ सॉलिड, ठीक है ना. तो इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन आता है. टेबल इज सॉलिड आ सकता है. वाई टेबल इज सॉलिड? एक्सप्लेन और गिव रीजन, ठीक है. टुडे आई विल स्टॉप माई लेक्चर here only. Hope you would have must have understood the chapter. Next time I will take another topics, ठीक है ना. Now there are 6 questions. पीछे वाला एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया ना. 6 questions are there related to the topic which I have taught you today. First chapter, matter in our surrounding. These are the questions. I am repeating the question once. What are the characteristics of particles? A diver is able to cut through the water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does the observation shows? A gas fills completely the vessel in which it is kept. Very important question. A gas exerts pressure on the wall of the container. This question is also very important. A wooden table should be considered as solid. And the 6th question is, we can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood we need a karate expert.
ट्राई करने के लिए बोला.
हाँ, you can try these questions, ठीक है. These questions you can try. It may be that certain topics I have not cleared yet, but you can try these questions also. The smell of the hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell of the cold food you have to go close. This question is very important from examination point of view. Ice floats on water. Why? Give reason. How aquatic animals survive in water? This question I have discussed with you. Sponge is considered as a solid. Rubber band is considered solid. What is diffusion? Name two highly compressible gases with its uses. So all these questions are important. You should try all these questions. Thank you.